In today's video we're going to make a beautiful, quick and easy, fragrant coconut fish curry. And to begin we need to prepare a few ingredients that are going to create a delicious curry paste. And this will create all the base flavours for our dish. We'll also be blending this using an immersion blender, so I'll be placing all the ingredients into one jug, but you can also use a food processor, a spice grinder or a pestle and mortar to do this. So to make the curry paste, begin by taking 3 garlic cloves and then just roughly chop them. Don't worry too much about your chopping skills here because it's all going to get blended anyway. Next, take 25 grams of fresh ginger and just roughly chop that as well. Then take 1 red chilli. And this is where you can control the level of spice. If you don't like it too spicy, I recommend putting half the chili in and also removing the seeds. Or if you like it spicy, put the whole chili in with the seeds. It's entirely up to you. I'm going for the whole chili, but I'm removing the seeds because I don't want my curry too overpowering with spice. And then just roughly chop the chili as well. Place your chopped garlic into a jug or bowl along with the chopped ginger and the chopped red chili. And then place in 20 grams of fresh coriander, including the stalks. Next, take 1 small brown onion or a shallot, top and tail it, peel it, cut it in half and roughly chop it. And place that into the jug. Next, for the ground spices, I'm adding 5 grams of mild curry powder, 4 grams of ground turmeric and 2 grams of ground cumin. Add in a pinch of salt and 50 milliliters of water. So now that the curry paste is done, we can leave that to one side and we need to prepare the fish. So I've got 500 grams of some cod here. You can use any fish that you like. Salmon works really well. I recommend using like a nice firm fish, not something that's going to go cook down and go mushy. And we're just going to portion this up into nice big chunks. And if you look at your fish fillet, you'll notice that there's like natural seams in the fish. So you can see one going right down the center of the fillet. And that's where I'm going to cut first of all. So I'll cut lengthways through the fillet to create 2 halves and then cut them into chunks. It's entirely up to you how small you want to cut them. Next, place a frying pan or skillet over a medium heat and then pour in all of that delicious curry paste. And as it begins to heat up, you'll be able to smell all those beautiful flavours straight away. Allow it to heat up for 3 to 5 minutes just to help release all of the flavours. And then pour in 400 milliliters of coconut milk. If you want to reduce the calories down slightly, it's absolutely fine to use the reduced fat coconut milk as well. Stir it together and bring it to a simmer. Once it's simmering, add in 20 grams of sugar, 10 milliliters of soy sauce and the juice of 1 lime. Stir it through and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes before placing in your fish. Gently place your fish into the pan and reduce the heat to low and allow the fish to gently poach in the coconut curry sauce for 5 to 8 minutes or until the fish easily flakes and breaks away just like this. Remove it from the heat and your coconut fish curry is ready to serve. Spoon your fish curry into bowls and then finish with freshly sliced chili, some coriander and a wedge of lime if you like. This dish is perfect to serve with rice for a complete meal. So there you have it, a quick and easy coconut fish curry in less than 20 minutes. I hope you enjoy this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.